I was very glad that the Prime Minister made time to receive me, and we had a very open interchange of ideas, which I hope would be productive in many ways for our country here. I don't want to tell about what we discussed because that's between me and the Prime Minister, but I can tell you there were very positive discussions, which I hope will be a great help to Aruba because, I represent the country of India, and India is very big in IT and knowledge, and I hope that we can use this link to promote and bring into Aruba all these excellent IT people to develop more our knowledge base in this island of Aruba. I mean, you know very well that in the Silicon Valley, all the big CEOs are from India, and we should not neglect that. We should bring them here. I think it's very nice. You can see in downtown Aruba and different malls that the Indian community has opened beautiful stores and bringing products which the tourists like. And this can only happen when the Arubian government is open to invite them and sustain them and support them as entrepreneurs investing in Aruba. So basically, it's a very warm and good relationship, and it can only improve. And when Aruba keeps on growing, I'm sure the Indian community will keep on growing and investing further. So it's a good relationship. The way you've seen all the stores, all the businesses, and they're prospering because the government of Aruba has supported them.